Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video, I will talk about Google Play Store offers. I got a new offer in my United States account and here you can see the offer details. $1 play discount on an app, game or in-app item and the offer will expire on 25th August 2021. Use your $1 pay discount on a single app, game or in-app item. Offer $1 and offer applied at checkout. And now here you can see full terms and conditions for this offer, and below here you can see popular choices, popular games or apps where you can use these offers. So I got a new offer in my USA account. Now I will show you how to use the offer. To use the offer, I will go to the top chart section and then I will go to the top paid section of Google Play Store. Now here you can see the list of top paid game of Google Play Store. Now I will try to buy some game. Now let's just try to buy this Minecraft, and the price of the Minecraft is $7.49, and here you can see below the offer is showing. Okay, so the offer will be applied. Now let's just try to buy this game, and now here you can see the offer is showing and I have to pay only $6.49 to buy this Minecraft. Okay, so in this way you can use these offers to buy apps and games.